So we have done with flexor compartment, right? Flexor compartment of arm. Now we are moving with the flexor compartment of forearm. Okay. Sorry, we are moving with the extensor compartment of forearm. We have did flexor compartment, extensor or posterior compartment, right? Totally there are 12 muscles in this compartment, extensor compartment, but we don't need to know the whole names of all muscles. Now I will specify here the important muscles, okay? First muscle here is anconeus. Anconeus muscle. Then we have the important muscle, the brachioradialis. The brachioradial. It is the strongest muscle in the extensor compartment. Strongest muscle among extensor compartment. Third one is supinatus. And fourth one we have abductor pollicis longus. And fifth one we can write it as, we have 4 muscles here. Other, I have told you there are 12 muscles, right? 12 muscles. We need to know only the names of 4 muscles: anconeus, brachioradialis, supinator and abductor pollicis longus. All others are 8 extensors, okay? So just remember these 4 muscles and 8 extensors. So we have 12 muscles in extensor compartment of forearm. Now all these muscles, they originate from the lateral epicondyle of humerus. Origin from lateral epicondyle of humerus. In flexor compartment we studied the whole muscle originate from the medial epicondyle, right? Here it is lateral epicondyle of humerus, okay? There the whole muscles were supplied by median nerve. Here the whole muscles are supplied by the radial nerve, okay? Radial nerve. I already told you the mnemonics to remember the muscle supplied by radial nerve, that was beast, okay? While studying the extensor compartment of arm, I mentioned this one, beast. B for what? The brachioradialis, the strongest muscle here. E is the extensors, and A for the anconeus muscle, and S for the supinatus, the triceps brachii, T. So these are the muscles coming here, okay, in the extensor compartment of forearm. So in flexor compartment, I told you, if any damage occurs, it will result in golfer's elbow. Here in the extensor compartment, any damage in lateral epicondyle of or this muscle or this radial nerve, any damage in lateral epicondyle, it leads to a phenomenon known as tennis elbow. You know the sports tennis, right? So there, this is commonly seen in tennis player. So due to a chronic process, they are playing tennis for long term. So they are using this muscle, the extensor compartment of forearm, for a long time. So after a long process, after a long time, so they will get this inflammation of these muscles or any damage in lateral epicondyle. So it causes tennis elbow. So you have to remember the brachioradialis is the strongest muscle in the extensor compartment. Clear? So radial nerve supply all these muscle. So these are about the extensor compartment. So we have covered the flexor and extensor compartment of arm and forearm. So we are done with it. Now we will continue with the radius and ulna. Clear?